How to clean your shark vacuum filters. This is a common model. If your filters are a different shape, don't worry, the process is the same. First, remove the bin on your vacuum. Under the bin, you will see a sponge filter. Sometimes these sit on a holder, but not always. Underneath the sponge filter, you will have a pad filter too. You should clean the filters in your shark every 1 to 3 months, depending upon which model you have. Now under this grill, you have the HEPA filter. On most upright models, you lift the grill off from the bottom. There will be a catch to pull. Please comment with your model number if you struggle to access this filter. I will help you to find it. Now let's get these washed. We are simply going to run a tap and wash the filters in warm water, squeezing the dirt and dust out of the sponge and pad filters until the water runs clear from them. Take your time. Also, once they are clean, squeeze as much water out of them as you can. This will speed up the important drying process in a moment. The suction on your shark is going to be much stronger after you have done this. If you have one, the black sponge can be washed in the same way. The HEPA filter itself is rinsed under a powerful tap. This will get the dust out of the creases. Again, do this until the water from the filter is clear. When the filters are clean, they need to dry for 24 hours before using, either outside on a warm day or find a warm place indoors. Never tumble dry the filters.